biggest loser, followed by the Voice Live elimination, is Tuesday here on NBC. Tuesday, the fashion store designs are selling out across America.
You really nailed it.
And now's your chance to join the fashion phenomenon.
It may just have lost you the competition.
New Fashion Star, Tuesday, 10 minutes Central, here on NBC.
Edie Falco is in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, looking into her mother's side of the family. She just found her great-grandfather, George McGrath's baptismal record from 1876, and is hoping it will give her more clues about George's father, a man she knows only as Mr. Brown.
George McGrath born in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, March 21st, 1876. Surname Brown. So according to this, he did take the name Brown, at least at baptism, and according to my family tree, the name was not really attached to him in any way, but his dad, Charles Childs Brown, Mary McGrath Brown. Charles Brown? Up until now, he's been this sort of shadowy figure that we didn't know much about, except that maybe his wife left him.
Well, in fact, it says sponsors or witnesses, and it looks like Charles C. Brown. The parent is listed. It looks like he was actually present.
Oh, you're kidding? Wow, wait. That is trippy. George's father is obviously here. So now actually the name of George's father, Charles Childs Brown, was at least at this point still a part of George's life.
Jada.
Which is, fills in a little piece of the mystery. But why would George stop using his father's surname? It seems strange. And I want to know what could possibly cause such a rift between my ancestors. To find out more information about Charles, Christy suggested that I go to the Milwaukee County Historical Center. They have an extensive collection of historical records, as well as community documents. Hi. I'm wondering if you can help me. I'm trying to track down a relative, and I know that he was here in 1876 attending the baptism of his son. His name is Charles Childs Brown.
Well, a great resource is the Milwaukee City Directory. Those were produced every year from 1847 to present. So if you want, I can pull those for you.
Great, thanks. So here are some city directories for you to look through, see if you can
Find them anywhere in there. While you're doing that, I'll go ahead and look and see if I can find them on a census record.
Oh, great, thanks.
Yeah.
This guy. Hi, baby.
$1869-70. Charles C. Apprentice, Milwaukee.
Guy.
So, 6 or 7 years before his son George was born, Charles was here in Milwaukee working at the local paper.
What are you doing?
Okay, I went through and searched the census records, and I didn't find Charles Brown anywhere in Wisconsin after 1870 at all.
Wow.
Okay, out of nowhere. But so I
Right.
thought to myself, well, maybe surrounding states, you never know. So I found a C.C. Brown in an 1885
Baby.
census in Little Falls, Minnesota.
C.C. Brown, 32-year-old male from England. There does not appear to be anyone else living in the household with him, as he is the only one with the Brown last name here, and he's from England. So that is certainly compelling. We don't know for sure that this is him, no? Right?
Yeah, I mean, you can't always tell. So what I did is I did some search.